Okay, boys and girls, for tonight's homework, we're going to start number 1 just like we always do. You are welcome to do a pictorial model or draw a picture to help you solve it. Boys and girls, is this a plus sign or a minus sign? Plus. So are we separating or joining?
Joining.
Good. What about the second one? Is that plus or minus?
Minus.
So are we separating or joining? Separating. What about our third one? Plus. Are we separating or joining?
Joining.
Number 2. There are 6 frogs in the pond. 2 hopped away. How many frogs are left in the pond? Write a number sentence and use the 10 frame to determine the answer to the question. Boys and girls, how many frogs were in the pond? 6. What happened?
2.
So what are you solving for? How many there are left? Number 3. Use the 10 frame to determine the answer to the question below. Mary had 3 cheese crackers. Xavier had 6 cheese crackers. Weston has 1 cookie. How many cheese crackers do the children have? Boys and girls, I want you to look closely at this. Mary has 3 cheese crackers. Xavier has 6 cheese crackers, and Weston has 1 cookie. Do we need all that information?
No.
We have extra information, so when you're solving, be very careful because they're trying to trick you. Number 4, what is missing from the graph? Is it, the first one says title, the second is labeled categories, and the third is pictures. Think about, what did we talk about? What do we have to have on every single graph? We talked about that today. Number 5. Which number is greater? Circle your answer. So you're going to look at these 2 numbers. There's a pictorial model next to them, boys and girls. You're going to circle the number that is greater. Number 6. Write the number that each model represents. Circle the number that is less. So I want you to count how many you see here and write the number up here. Count how many you see, write the number in standard form right here. How are we going to write the number?
Standard form.
And standard form means we just write the
Number.
Thank you, boys and girls. Once you've written the numbers, you're going to circle the one that is less. Circle the one that is what? Thank you. 7. You're going to do the same thing. We're going to count and then write the number in standard form. Count, write the number in standard form. Boys and girls, be very careful with this one. It's designed to be tricky. Once you've done that, we need to read this. It says, is less than or is greater than. So you're going to circle if it's less than or greater than. You need to write this in standard form or you're going to make a oops. Number 8. Using 10s and 1s, draw numbers and circle the one that is greater. So you're going to look at this number. What is that number, boys and girls?
2.
How many groups of 10? 5. How many leftover ones? So you're going to draw how many groups of 10? And how many leftover ones? 4. What are you going to do here? How many groups of 10? How many leftover ones? Then you're going to compare and circle the one that is greater.